Email query next. Sandeep Kumar says that he invested in a 2 BHK flat in Earth Town project by Earth Infrastructure in August 2012. Now he's already paid 30% under a construction linked program. He's begun doubting the possession date by this developer. He wants to know whether he should stay invested in this project or should he exit. Now he doesn't say whether he's actually reached out to the developer, which is probably the first thing that he should be doing here. What do you say? What are you hearing about this particular project?
All projects in Noida are delayed. That's the ground rule. The second is go talk to your developer, and I think developers are willing and able to talk to the consumers. Today they are interested in talking and finding a amicable solution because you know that RERA is coming in and all developers are interested. Check out with your own developer. If you think that they are dilly-dallying and not giving, and if you can find a buyer for your project, exit the project if you don't want to hold on for too long. Because remember that you've paid 30% and you'll have to make your onward payments next. So it's a good idea for you to check out and then buy. As of now, all projects in Noida are delayed.
You know, and Sandeep has done a very smart thing by going in for a construction-linked payment scheme, because he's only paying as much as the building structure has actually been made, which means 30% is what is probably completed over here. Do you think in a market like Noida currently, where, like you yourself said, you know, most of the projects are delayed, this is the safest scheme for home buyers to get into? I mean, safest of course is buying a ready possession property, but if you can't afford one, and if you end up buying under construction, is this a safe way to buy it?
If you have taken a construction linked plan, that's fine. But if you've taken a subvention scheme, that means that the developer has got the money on your behalf, and you know it is your credit history that will get spoiled if the developer delays. So if it is something where you've told the developer that I'll pay as you build, then if the developer is not asking you for more money, I would say hold on to the project, pay as the construction goes on. Unless you're looking for end use, and in which case exit the project and buy something that is ready to move in.
So Sandeep, if you're looking for end use, if you have a buyer, exit. That's the best thing you can do given the circumstances. And once you exit, do make sure you buy into a ready possession property so that you don't have to wait too long to actually move into that house.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.